strong.
Hi there guys, let's have a look at the fastest way to create Knurls in Modo. So to begin with, select the polygons you want to work with, Shift H to hide unselected stuff, go to Edge Mode, select the rings, assign a new selection set named A, now select the loops, assign a new selection set called B, and now go to face mode, activate the spike tool and click in the viewport. Go to edge mode, select A and just delete it. Select B and just delete it. Okay, select the rings now, activate the spike tool once again, and this time click and drag in the viewport till you're happy with that. Just like that. Now hold down Alt and press 2 to convert the selection. Press B and bevel it out just a little bit. Just like that. Press U on your keyboard to unhide everything. And at this stage you can hit Tab on your keyboard to subdivide the mesh. Now let's assign a metal material. And there we go. I'm gonna show you my settings. Okay, this is my environment. That's it. Take care.
Strong.